Today, I take you on a journey through time to the ancient sanctuary of Delphi, a place shrouded in myth and rich in history. Nestled in the slopes of Mount Parnassus, Delphi was once considered the center of the world by the ancient Greeks. In the 8th century BC, Delphi emerged as a site of great religious importance, dedicated to the god Apollo. It was here that the oracle of Delphi, the priestess Pythia, delivered prophecies from the inner sanctum of Apollo's temple. Leaders and commoners alike would travel vast distances to consult the oracle, seeking guidance for their most pressing concerns. The history of Delphi is also marked by the Pythian Games, second only to the Olympics in their significance. These games were a testament to the physical prowess and artistic achievements of the participants, celebrating the human spirit in honor of Apollo. But Delphi was not just a religious site, it was a symbol of unity for the Greek city-states. Treasuries lined the sacred way, showcasing the wealth and power of these states, all while paying homage to Apollo. The Tholos of Delphi, with its circular structure and Doric columns, remains an architectural marvel, reflecting the glory of Athena Pronea. As we moved into the Common Era, Delphi's influence waned with the rise of Christianity. The once great sanctuary fell into decay, its temples abandoned, and its oracles silenced. It wasn't until the late 1800s that Delphi was rediscovered, excavated from beneath a modern village, revealing its ancient splendor to the world once more.